Hello folks, this is Ray Hansen from Kidder Advisors with an educational economic update for May 2019. In this month's video, I'll discuss some of the major headlines that influence markets in April. I will also provide insight into what these developments could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end of our video for a required disclosure statement. April was another positive month for the markets. All three of the major domestic indices posted gains. The Dow Industrials added 2.6%, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 4.9%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 increased 3.9% and wrapped up its best 4 months of performance in almost 9 years. So, what happened last month? We received stronger data updates than many people anticipated, especially for economic growth and corporate earnings. For example, the latest reading for gross domestic product indicated that the economy grew by 3.2% in the first quarter. Economists predicted growth that was closer to 2.5%. Instead, the initial reading was the best first quarter result since 2015, and the first time since then that growth exceeded 3% between January and March. Corporate earnings have also been surprisingly strong so far. When earnings season started, many investors were preparing to weather some choppy results. For months, experts discussed how the effect from 2018's tax cuts would no longer help drive corporate profits. As a result, earnings would disappoint starting in the first quarter of 2019. By the last full week of April, however, the initial earnings results were telling a different story. FactSet Research reported that almost half of the S&P 500 had shared their reports and 77% beat their own earnings estimates. Of course, we will still have many reports to receive, so no one can say yet how these earnings seasons will end. As of April 26, FactSet was still projecting a year-over-year decline for corporate earnings. Credit Suisse, on the other hand, forecasted an increase of as much as 3%. Either way, the initial results seem to indicate that the first quarter corporate earnings are better than many people expected. Stocks responded to these results by climbing even higher. In the last full week of April, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite reached new record highs, and all three major indices have experienced double-digit gains for the year. The markets have come far since the decline we experienced late in 2018 and this month. We will see where those earnings are headed. From earnings season to the Federal Reserve meeting and beyond, we have a lot to analyze. As always, if you have questions, we're happy to chat. That's it for this month's Educational Economic Update. Once again, this is Ray Hansen with Kidder Advisors, signing off for the month of May 2019. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 1-800-693-0138. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results. International investing involves special risks, such as currency fluctuation and political instability, and may not be suitable for all investors. These risks are often heightened for investments in emerging markets.